Alrighty, what is going on, everybody? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Looking at some QQQ calls here. Alright, what are we doing? What are we doing? Daily is extremely bearish, but high key, this looks like the same kind of setup or price action from yesterday. Pretty much where buyers start to step in at the second half. Alright, so right now watching some, what is XPS called? Tax and it's for today, tomorrow, the 14th, yeah. I mean, we only got 40 minutes left. These should definitely be like $3, not six, but we'll see. Ideally looking at these 69.20 calls, maybe even the 69.15. Still really want to see this range get retested around here, pretty much around this 944 range, about 5 points down. We could even scalp a short, to be honest. Damn, these things didn't fill me. Alright, cancel the shorts. It's not gonna work, or it's not gonna fill me at least. Wanted to take these 69.05 puts. Um, Based on this 5 minute, I would need to see like a close above 51 to really go long. Lower time frames are kind of just making higher highs and higher lows. But it's not convincing enough to really go long. Minute, let's see if we can mitigate this fair value gap here. Damn, things are gone. No sign of a pullback. watching the 69.15 calls. Or you could even do 69.20. Alright, I'm in these 69.20 calls. Kind of expecting this pullback. We'll look to add here. Shit didn't let me add. Trying to add at like 2.2 ideally. If it lets me. We need to see this 1 minute pretty much break above 52 here. Absolutely need to see it close above 52. If we can get it close above 52, this thing like takes off. I got a TP in place at 5.2. Minute candle about to open. shit. Lucky better double down here again. We keep pulling back here. My iPad literally just died. All right, let's see. How are we doing? How are we doing? How are our calls doing? I'm about to trim here once my brokerage loads up. All right. Taking a trim here. Just took a trim here at 3.3. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep pumping. Get us out at 5. Get us out at 5. Let's go. We're at 4 now. 4.3. 4.6. All right, cool. Just closed out one of those. Got 2 contracts left. 2 contracts left. Let's go. Let's go. Trim that 4.8. Let's fucking go. What a trade. What a trade, ladies and gentlemen. What a fucking trade. And I still got my TP at 5. I think we go up to 5 here. I think, all jokes aside, we have like a crazy candle for the 350 algo. Let's fucking go. Another great day. Another great day. Another great day. If we break these highs with some momentum, we're out of here. Could do it. Give us some momentum out of here. You could do it, NQ. All right, we just took a trim here at 6.1 is what I just got filled. Let's fucking go. Ah, good day, good day, good day. All right, I got one runner left. We'll see how much this wants to run. And it looks like we're about to fucking moon. These contracts literally might go to $20. All jokes aside, we're not 20, but we're definitely going to 10. That's $1,000 a piece. We literally got in these contracts at 2.7. Even got an average down at 2.5. So major payday. Major fucking payday. Let's go. Oh, can you guys hear me? Now can you hear me? How about now? Better? Everybody should be getting paid. Everybody should be getting paid. I just hate how this brokerage doesn't tell me percentages. It just tells me my fucking P&L. Yeah, we're gonna keep running. I told you these contracts are going. I'm holding on to this last contract. Buy side for me technically is right here. If you want to be completely out at 971, more than welcome. I think we keep running. I could see like a slight little pullback here potentially to retest his breakout range. But yeah, we're gonna keep running. We're gonna keep running. Yeah, I don't know. I'm up almost what? About almost 200%. I can't really tell, but I see the small account right now is actually up 845 bucks. I'm probably gonna put stop loss on this last contract here at like 5 point 5.8. If we pull back to 5.8, it's like at that point we might as well just get a new trade. Um, yeah, hard stops on last contract at 5.8. I'll see if it wants to keep running. Ideally, I do see this going up to 69.71, but we'll see. Let's freaking go. So contracts are up about 230%. Yeah, sorry if you're new here. This is what we do, especially once it comes to Power Hour. This is kind of what made me. Yesterday we took almost a 800% gain. Today so far, you're about to be up about 300%. We still have almost 30 minutes left in the market. 25 minutes. Pretty damn good day. Um, Once you stop surge streams, SPX alerts been crazy. I could focus a little more, I guess. I could focus a little more. Give you guys the best version of me when I'm in flow state. Let me see. I think it's because of what mic it's coming through. I definitely do see the audio being kind of low. Um, no, that's the right mic. I don't know, but hell of a day. Hell of a day. If you guys want more alerts like that, you're not in the community, check out ZeusTrades.com. Join the community. Yep, that's pretty much the website. You will get alerts like this every single day. Yeah, we had a great week. Had a great week, and the Falcons have been killing it as well. I still really do like HD. I think this kind of one of those pullback days, and then tomorrow we probably continuously expand. Where's our uranium? Okay, uranium still pushing. Yeah, we're about to go to all-time highs in uranium. We got like a year out. We got leaps. Excuse me. See how N and E is doing. It's kind of crazy. I gave my brother the exact bottom of N and E. like the exact bottom, to the point to where he got filled New Year's Day, or I guess the day after New Year's. And yeah, he's up like 30+% so far. Yeah, fucking common stocks. And this thing has a long way to go to all-time highs. What are we doing? Where are we at? All right. Pretty much right now we do need to see a close back above 64. If we can get that close above 64, we should continuously push higher right here, right now. If we don't close above 64, we probably will chop around until 350 algo. Pretty much gonna watch this here closely and see what we do. Ideally gonna get out completely if these contracts can go to like 14. Anywhere from 12 to 14, I'm content. I guess once we hit like 12, I'll pretty much just be walking up stops so that if we do pull back anything, pretty much we're out. See if these contracts can get to 11. Currently going for 10 right now. Exactly worth 10. Let's see. Can we break out here? If we can break out here, these things are gone. Contracts should be worth at least 14. And at $14, I am content. I'm content getting the hell out of here. Retracement was nice. Did you get in on retracement? Did you add more? So whoever said you guys missed the SPX trade yesterday, hopefully you didn't miss one today. Oh, let's go. Hey, that's stake money right there, Baba. Or why are you gay? Whichever one you want to be called. Hopefully nobody missed this alert. I don't really know if I'm gonna get another trade out today. That's kind of the way the market's looking. Pretty much, I guess I'll do a quick little trade recap. I do need to start doing trade recaps more. I guess we could do one. Start posting it to YouTube. We'll do it live. We're still in the contract, by the way, but we have a hard stop loss at 5.8. If it stops out is what it is. Ideally, we'll be looking to completely close these if it gets to 14. I don't know if it does. It's still kind of setting up good. We pretty much just have to hold above 62. Yeah, if we can hold above 62, we keep pushing higher. If we close below 62, yeah, probably gonna get stopped out. Probably better get stopped out like right now. It is what it is. Nonetheless, hell of a trade. Hell of a trade. And I'm stopped out. Jeez. If that thing perfectly wicked me out, I'm gonna be kind of pissed. It's looking like it. Oh, this thing literally perfectly hit 5.8 and just, I mean, it's all right, cool. We're stopped out. Like now we're like, all right, cool. All right. Quick little trade recap. Same exact setup as yesterday. Same exact thing. Yesterday, pretty much notice how we were bearish all day. Anytime. Okay, I'm giving away a lot of free gems here in this trade recap, but I'll do it anyway. So essentially, notice this little wick, right? This wick here, this is the daily candle. So anytime that the market is just dumping all day long and you see about 1 hour left into the trading day and the market's still like completely red, likely the last hour is going to create that wick. That's kind of like part of the I guess power of three. So same thing happened yesterday, same thing today. pretty much we saw the daily wick getting put into place, so that's why we went long. I normally don't like to counter trend trade. However, when you see a setup like this clear, easy, we pretty much retested these equilibrium block ranges, mitigated that fair value gap, and once we mitigated that fair value gap, that was my confirmation to take longs. And pretty much price pushed straight up. We didn't have to worry about drawdown really whatsoever. Pretty much by this candle, this is where we average down. So that pretty much brought our average to like 2.6. And at that point, the rest was history. Price just non-stop trended higher and higher and higher. Very short, simple, and straight to the point. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask right now. All right, we got 350 algo here in a second. All right, let's see. See if we can take some puts here. SPX. All right, looking at some SPX puts. Not really eager to jump into anything. At this given point, we're high key late. If we were gonna jump in, probably should have jumped in about 10 points higher. Honestly, you'd be up about 1,000% already, or not 1,000. You'd be up like 600% already, low key, if you jumped in puts from like up here. Basically just because price has been non-stop trending down. So yeah, I personally wouldn't jump in this right now, but I am watching these 69.10 puts, 69.10 puts. We'll see what the 350 algo wants to do. We got 4 minutes left. Just gotta be patient. Guess we're coming out of SPX retirement here. Seems like you guys are liking the alerts, liking the plays. Yo, let's go. Everybody killing it in the community. Okay. Passing some Apex accounts. Okay, Sam on the leaderboard. Okay. 12K yesterday, 800 today. Bobby Fish with the SPX gains as well. Okay, okay, okay. Everybody's eating. Love to see it. All right, we got this 350 algo here in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. 2 minutes. Yo, NNE is just freaking insane. And I only say that because I'm like balls deep. But yeah, I strongly believe in uranium. I think I told you guys about uranium when I first got my intel. Can't really speak too much. I gave you guys my DD. That's public information. But yeah, buy uranium. I still don't think it's too late. All right, let's see. What do we want to do here? Are we gonna respec this level again or not? All right, let's see. 350 algo here in 30 seconds. What are you guys feeling? Long or short? Long or short? Let me see if there's any SMT. If there's SMT, then okay, no SMT, no SMT. Damn, there's SMT between ES and NQ. Okay, so NQ made a higher high, ES did not. ES made a lower high right here. So I don't know. This could honestly kind of do anything. We'll see. My finger is watching the buys and the sells, looking at 69.10 puts and 59.15 calls. We'll see. Okay, damn, calls are out of here. Fuck. You can't chase this though. I literally can't chase this. As much as I want to, I can't chase it. I'm willing to risk these if these come back to 2.0. Looking at these 69.20 calls again, I'd get in at 2.0. I'd risk that. Really get confirmation to go long if we can close above this fair value gap here. And also this candle with no wick. So if we can close above pretty much 55 here, longs look pretty good. Let's see. All right, we close directly at it. All right, I'm trying to get filled on these 69.20s at 2.0 flat. I think I should have got filled there. I think I'm filled. Wait, what the hell? Am I not filled? Wait, what the hell? Why am I not filled? Bro, that thing just came perfectly back to our entry. What the fuck? There's no way. There's no way. Oh my god. What is going on? We'll see if buyers want to step in right here or not. Well, I guess it might have been a good reason why we didn't get filled, but we didn't get filled. Not sure why. Yeah, legit, none of these orders are getting filled. I don't know why. I literally don't know why. None of these orders are getting filled. This makes no sense. Because now the calls are up like 60% already. Yeah, it's fine. I'm not even gonna try to force it. I tried to get filled on those 6920 calls again. It's just not working. It's not filling me. Tried to buy in at 1, didn't work. Tried to buy in literally at 1.1, didn't work. Would have been up 100% already. None of the trades filled. Perfectly fine. Is what it is. Probably just call it a day. Yep, and those are about to be in the money already. Lovely. 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 I would just need to see a slightly bigger pullback. Now it's gone. All right. Good day. We had a good day. I tried to get in on the calls again. If you got filled, congrats. You're up like 200% already. Didn't work for me. Yeah, now they're in the money. And now those contracts are up like 300% again. No, 6920 calls. Oh. Long as it didn't fill me, pretty much it was price pulled back to the same spot that we entered longs on. Now it looks like price is probably going to push up to that 71 buy side liquidity target that I have. But we didn't get filled. It is what it is. 5 minutes left in the market. Probably about to skyrocket up. If you're in longs, hold it. Me personally, just gonna have to call it a day. So let's see. Let's go look at our activity log. The ones that did fill, because I want to know why those didn't. Yeah, none of them filled. I don't know why. That's actually mind-boggling. Also says canceled, 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 canceled. Yeah, at 3:52, canceled, 16 seconds. 3:53, canceled, didn't work. Yeah. Well, great day. Would have been nice to get another 200, 300% gain. Is what it is. But yeah, overall, good day. If you made some gains, please at me on Twitter, post in the Discord community, post some gains. Greatly appreciated. And I will see you guys later. And if you want to see more alerts like that, make sure to join ZeusTrades.com. ZEUSTRADEZ, not with the S, with the Z.com. And I will see you guys later. You guys have a blessed rest of your day.